Burners are especially vulnerable to rust because they are exposed to heat, moisture, and food residue every day. Even small amounts of grease and grime can create stubborn layers that take effort to remove. Our gas cooker has seen many years of cooking, and as a result, rust and grime have built up on the burners. Over time, even small spills and stains can harden into layers of dirt that are not easy to remove. And that's why we had to scrub this not once, not twice, but multiple times to remove the stains and bring this back to shine. Here you can see my mom finally managed to remove all the stain on this side. Look how shiny it is now. After a very long multiple sessions, she completely removed all the stains and now they look new and sparkling. It is very satisfying to see the final glamorous results like this. After using the soap, she used more dishwasher to make it look polished. And now it looks even more shinier. Using a steel scrubber is an effective way to lift rust gently. It removes the rusty layer without deeply scratching the metal. And now they all look so shiny and so beautiful. My mom again used more dishwashers to make it more shinier. And she placed them like this to drain the water till she cleans the gas cooker surface. Again, there were so much rust and grimes here, and mom had to scrub it with the steel scrubber. After cleaned it once, she wiped it with a wet cloth and cleaned again for the complete cleanse. And isn't it so much satisfying to see all these stubborn stains go away like this? Even though we don't have luxury things, we definitely can give a luxurious service to the things that we have and treat them like luxury to feel us luxurious. Then mom wiped all the water with a clean and dry cloth because, as you know, drying immediately after washing prevents new rust from forming, keeping the metal shiny for longer. Do you see how shiny and sparkling they are now? These small details matter the most for our daily micro happiness. Now when we work in the kitchen and seeing how shiny and fresh they are looking gives us an energy boost to happily get done even the most mundane tasks. Because a fresh and a clean place gives you a fresh and a clean mindset.